what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try to stop these seals from leaking. See this coat of oil right here? But before I go and take the forks apart and replace the seals, what we got over here, trusty little seal mates. Gonna make a little video on how to do this. It's really easy and it can save you, a bunch of not only time, well, it doesn't take too much time, but it can save you a lot of time and money with having to get new seals when you can just use this to get the dirt out and reseat the seals. Alright, now that the fork guards are off, what we can do now is take some degreaser, just clean the fork tubes out before we pry the dust seal off. After you get this cleaned off with some rags, we're going to take a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to take this dust seal off. This way we can access the oil seal with this good old seal mate. What I like to do is take a smaller flathead, open it up a little bit, and then I'll come in, take a bigger flathead, and usually that does the job. So let's see what we got here. See, I'm starting to open it up a little bit. I'm gonna get all around. Alright, now from there, now we'll take the bigger one. Whoa. Alright, now we got the seal mate. What we're gonna do is put it straight up, put it in an angle like this. We're gonna get it up there about I'd say ½ inch, an inch. I'm gonna grab up top here, put force on it, spin it around the fork tube as it stays parallel with the fork tube. You want to make sure it stays up, getting all the dirt. Reseating these seals. Turn it as you drag it out. And you can see, I'll show you. Let's see. You can actually see that. Come on, focus. Look at that. You actually got some dirt. Sorry, hold on. Look at this. See that dirt right there? Got some dirt out. That was in the fork. That was in the seal. So, that little amount of dirt, I guess, can cause that little amount of oil to drip past it. So now that we did that, let's clean these tubes and test it out. Forks. Now that I got the seal mate in there, hopefully got all the dirt out, what I'm going to do is take the bike off the stand, pump the forks a few times. After that, there's probably still going to be some oil on the forks. So what I'm going to do is just wipe it. After a few times of pumping the forks, these seals should reseat, and technically, theoretically, if these seals aren't completely shot, then the oil should stop coming out. Yep. Nice. Where are you going? Good shit, bro. I want to see that thing. Alright. Hell yeah. Bike life. Let's give it a few more pumps here. Come on. Alright. Looks pretty good. I don't see any oil. And I don't see any oil. So it worked. Seal's back on. Let's give it a few pumps. Do a last double check. See if it actually worked. I'll give it 3 good pumps here. Alright. Let's see. See if it worked. I mean, I guess the real way to test it out is go fucking ride the thing, right? But alright, look at the tube. No oil. Sweet. Let's see this side. Nice. No oil. We're good. We do the seal, mate. Thumbs up. Ready to ride.